As you said, the performances have improved lately. Now you need some tangible rewards and points today.
Exactly. In reality, if you ask me if I prefer to play bad and win, today obviously I would say so. But we want to build a period, a future. It's not just about the game. So to play well is also very important, and to try to be in the same line as we were in the last matches. But obviously, result is important.
You made some changes in midfield. Cesc Fabregas and Matic, they're on the bench today. John Obi Mikel comes in. What's the thinking behind this?
Because we played very well against Stoke, and I think is something that the players deserve when they play so well. I think Mikel and Ramirez, they played really well against Stoke. Also in the second half against West Ham, with the team with one player less and just them in the center of the midfield, they were always in control, moving the ball with a lot of confidence. And I think in this moment we need confidence, and we also need the squad to understand that every player is important. And I think would be like smash Mikel and Ramirez confidence when players they play so well, and to change them today.
No team has ever come back from this start to finish in the top four in the Premier League. You're going to have to be the first.
Why not? Why not? We were the first in so many things. I was the first to make 100 victories in the Premier League with the last number of matches. So why not to be the first again?